Dear traders, in this video today I'm going to tell you about the most profitable buy sell signal indicator with high win rate. This strategy can not only be used for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. Before going towards the details of this video, I would be telling you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Xness. If you want to open your account with them, you will have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods. Plus, they give you maximum profit for you each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you are going to open your account with Xness, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. I've opened the 5 minutes chart here, and from the indicator section I'm going to add an indicator, that is Shandy Momentum Oscillator by Everget. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. As you can see, our chart is ready with this indicator, that is Shandy Momentum Oscillator. Basically, this momentum oscillator is a technical momentum indicator that trades the momentum of a security while also being able to determine market and strength or weakness of the market. As you can see here, this indicator will give us the strong signals to determine the market patterns, basically, which are sensitive to pattern recognition. So the Shandy Momentum Oscillator, it will also be used to determine trend strength by analyzing the strength of the weakness or the weakness of the present market trend. As you can see here, we are able to see there are some red color signals are here, some green color signals are here. These are basically the oversold or the overbought levels that are made by this Shandy Momentum Oscillator. Okay. I'm going to add here one more indicator, and that is moving average exponential. Moving average exponential we will add from here, and I will be going into the settings and I will change its length from 9 to 10. Okay, and we'll click OK. As you can see, we are having the average, moving average here. Okay, moving average exponential or EMA is showing the upward trend, then we have to buy them into the market, and when it is showing the downward trend, we have to sell simply. But we have to confirm it by looking towards the CMO or Shandy Momentum Oscillator. Let's suppose if our market is giving us the upper trend from here, let's suppose this is the upper trend market, our green candle is formed, and our EMA is also showing us that we are in the upper trend. So what we have to do, we have to look towards this CMO that is showing us that there are two levels. One is on the 50 level and the other is on the minus 50 level. This is the zero level. Whenever our market will go up, then we have to check that whether our market is above zero level. When it is in the overbought level, you know this very well, that then our market has to take the trend reversal. This we have discussed already in many times in our previous videos. So what we have to do, we have to take the trade with confidence that we are going to enter into the market for the buy trend. Okay, so we have to go into the buy trend by looking towards this signal in the green color that is given and is shown by the oscillator. As you know, oscillator means that is moving up and down. That is why I told you that this will tell you the market pattern. Confidently, you can enter into the market by looking towards this signal, and you will be taking the profit from here till here almost. So it is very powerful indicator which is showing this. Okay, when we have seen for the downward trend that our EM is showing us the downward trend, what we have to see that our market has to give us the red color candles, right? In the red color candles, if they are getting to be formed under EMA, then we have to look towards this CMO or Shandy Momentum Oscillator, that it also give us the signal that will be in the negative values, for example down to minus 50. Usually this is the oversold level, so we will be confident that we have to take the trade for the sell signal. Okay, from here we have to take the trade for the sell signal. As we go down from the zero level, then we have to enter into the market for the sell signal, and we have taken the profit, maximum profit from here till here. Even then we have to look towards the EMA or EMA 10, that is showing us that we are again in the upper trend, but we have to look for the candles to be formed. At least two candles should be in the green color. Let's go in the gold market. Let's suppose here, as you can see, that if we are getting two candles which are green and the market is also in the upper trend, we have to look towards the CMO, right? The Shanday momentum oscillator is also giving us the green color signal, that is showing us that we have to take the trade for the buy signal. We have taken the trade and we have earned the maximum profit. Again, our market is going in the downward trend, that is shown by the EMA. Then we have to look towards our CMO again. If it is down to zero level, or if the values are going in the minus levels, then we have to take the trade with the confidence that we are in the right trend, and we have to take the confidence that we are taking the right trade for our sell signal. This is all about the strategy. This strategy works with high win rate, as you can see. As you can see from here as well, continuously profits are made by looking towards this strategy. So we have to look towards our first of all our EMA, and then towards our CMO. If both are giving us the same pattern, same signals, then we have to look towards our strategy and enter into the market for the right trade as given by the indicator signals, right? So if you like this strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video, and do use it for your own trading for the best results. Good luck from my side. Take care.